Hello, my name is Thomas Krallo and welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk all things trading, money and finances in general. Now this is gonna be lesson number 6 of my 10-day learn how to trade properly challenge. So if you haven't watched the previous 5 lessons, I strongly recommend you doing that. And let's get right to the lesson number 6. A lot of people, traders and even experienced traders, tend to get lazy and neglect things like personal trading algorithm, which we discussed in the previous lesson, and trading statistics. Those are actually incredibly simple to follow, incredibly simple to keep, but for some reason traders just simply don't do that. So what are trading statistics? Trading statistics are basically either a paper format or an Excel file, or there are quite a few third-party services for trading statistics where you actually record your time of entry, your market that you've traded, the amount of risk, the type of a model that you have traded, the structure that you have traded, and basically each single data about your trade and all trades that you are doing. So that is incredibly helpful in one simple way. You can actually look back and reflect at your past trading. So for example, you've been trading for about 2 to 3 months, and I have to tell you that any trading statistics are not very useful unless they contain at least 100 to 200 trades. That's an absolute minimum. If you have recorded like 10 or 15 trades, you cannot really draw out any conclusions and see and change your trading algorithm based on so little amount of information. So at least 100 to 200 trades. And once you have this amount of trades, you'll be able to check and see that maybe in the afternoon you're making most minus, or maybe in the morning, or maybe in the pre-market. Maybe a certain structure that you're trading is making more money and the other one is making less money. So why would you even spend time on the model that is not making any money, or you're actually losing money on that model? So why even trade it? Just remove it completely from your trading. And a lot of traders, when they neglect trading statistics, they basically rely on their inner feeling. So they feel like this model is working better than the other one, or they feel like this market is better, or they feel like they are doing better in the afternoon or in the morning when there is more volatility in the market. So this feeling, anything that is based on a feeling in trading is just nonsense, and it's just not possible to analyze it and think about it as a business. Any business has a lot of information: sales, revenue, taxes, and blah blah blah. And the whole balance sheet is full of different numbers, and all the responsible business owners, they keep track of those numbers, and the numbers. The money itself is just numbers. So to make a lot of money, you must be good with numbers, but not in terms of math or some algorithms like complex mathematical calculations or anything like that. But be good with numbers means actually treat numbers with utmost respect. And the same goes for trading. Once again, trading is a serious business, just like any other business out there in the world. And you must be recording your trades, your investments, and analyze what works best, what doesn't work. And when you're able to compile enough data, you'll be able to analyze and see what works and what doesn't. And then based on that, you will change and adjust your trading algorithm, something that we've discussed in the previous lesson. And that in turn will improve your trading results overall. Isn't that a fantastic tool to use? I mean, it's completely free to use, it's completely simple to understand. Yeah, well, there are a few things and tricks in trading statistics that you probably should be aware of, but we don't have that much time in these lessons here on YouTube to discuss absolutely everything. And by the way, if you want to learn a lot more about trading and about my personal trading strategies and more detailed information on different aspects and topics, then please hit the link down in the description and register for my next free webinar. It's completely free. There is not going to be any credit card required or any BS like that. So if you're interested, just register for my next webinar and I'd be more than happy to see you there. And also follow me on Instagram and feel free to send me direct messages and trading related, of course. I'll be more than happy to read them and respond to the best of my ability. I'm always happy to help. But if I'm not responding right away, just give me some time, because there are quite a lot of people who are messaging me all over social media. And yeah, this was a short lesson on trading statistics, and quite honestly, it's really simple stuff, but it's gonna improve your trading incredibly. And all this stuff that we've been discussing so far in the previous 5 lessons and in this lesson, it all somehow comes together already gradually into one simple to follow trading strategy that actually is not taught anywhere else. So stay tuned, and once again, please subscribe and hit the like button. I'd appreciate that support, and I'm always happy to help. So please leave your comments. I'll read and respond to all of them. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson, which is going to be lesson 7.